Good evening, everyone. I'm standing in front of Trapani Airport in Sicily, and I'm about to head off to my next destination. And while I was about to say ciao to my beloved country, I thought that you guys may not know the origin of the word ciao. So I thought I would make this video. First of all, it's important to know that Italians say ciao not only when they're about to leave, but also when they're about to meet someone, when they actually meet someone or get to a place, which is quite interesting. So it's not exactly the same as goodbye, to be fair. Well, the word ciao comes from s-ciào, which in the Venetian dialect that used to be spoken in the Republic of Venice back in the Middle Ages, it literally means slave. So basically, when you're saying ciao, you're actually saying I'm your slave, which is a very old-fashioned way and very formal way to say I'm your slave, I'm at your service, please do not hesitate to contact me if you need me. All these kind of things, right? Clearly, that will not be very politically correct nowadays. Thankfully, things changed a lot. But you know, that word stays. And I'm quite sure that not many people know about this. So please do share this fact with your friends to impress them. Please do subscribe to my channel, as I will be posting more and more of these little facts about Italy. Thank you for watching and have a good evening.